How to turn off media previews on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off media previews on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now go down and click this one, settings and privacy, and then click this one, accessibility. Click on it and then click display, and now all you do is just click here, media previews, and as you see media previews has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And that's how manage media previews on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.